Good afternoon, Pramod.
Right. Afternoon teacher แล้ว
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. 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 Afternoon, Pramod, Ifan, Kendall, Natina.
Good afternoon,
Jean. Afternoon, guys. Afternoon. How was your lunch? How was your lunch? How was your lunch?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Good afternoon. Oh no. Not Janon. No. Okay. All right.
Good are you now?
Good afternoon.
Baby shark eat song.
Yeah. Yes, there is no sound for now.
You act. You act. So yeah. Yeah.
Let's wait for
Teacher is very lacquer. Teacher is very lacquer. Lacquer.
Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? All right. Let's begin.
Who's ready to hatch some cool
Play.
pets?
Yeah, play.
Huggy? Where are you? Pinkful!
Sorry. I don't know what's wrong.
Oh dear.
Dạ rồi.
All right.
Wow.
I'm going to. Okay.
Nè gặp
Con.
bà bỏ thân nhé mà thôi là
Yeah, something's wrong with my Wi-Fi.
phải không đấy
Let me try
trước là
to
bà
use
bỏ
my phone. Very slow.
Oh,
Very
guys,
slow.
I'm the serious one.
Yeah.
Teacher number.
Yeah, it's very slow.
Teacher number.
Okay, wait, guys, wait. I want to change from Wi-Fi to data. I hope that one makes it work. If it doesn't, so voila.
Play, baby, go. Using your Wi-Fi is my teacher is set up.
All right. I think it's okay now. Can you hear me? Can you all hear me?
Yes.
All right. All right. If you can all hear me, that is good. All right. How many are we now? 13. Let's start. Let's start. All right.
Roll round and round and round. Circle, roll round and round.
Stone, square. Square, stop, here and there.
It's not clear, right? Can you guys see clearly?
Square.
That it's not, yeah, it's not clear. All right, it's okay, it's fine. There was a song about squares.
Square,
That's
stop
okay.
here and there.
The Wi-Fi is really bad. It's really bad. My apologies, guys. My apologies.
Slide.
All right.
Triangle.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. Let's just move on to this work.
There.
Yeah, let's move on to today's work. I don't know, the Wi-Fi is so slow. Can you all hear me now? Can you all hear me? No? Can you all hear me?
The correct answer.
Yes, sweetheart, yes. Yes.
Teacher, what page?
This is revision.
What book? What
This
page?
is revision. This is revision, okay?
Not have in the book.
Yeah, this is revision.
Okay.
This is not in the book, yes. We're revising for the exam next week. Next week, we're going to be writing the final exams, right, guys? So this week, we're going to be doing a lot of revision, okay? All right, okay, so let's get ready now. Let's get ready. The first one that we have here is saying match the correct answers. Match with the correct answers, right? This is very easy.
Here is one. Here is number 1. Q.
All right. Let's wait a little bit, okay? All right. So we have shapes here.
I think.
We have shapes here, and then we have the names of the shapes. So we want to match the shape and the name.
Number 1 square, but it's the cube.
All right. Okay, yes, that's true, Java. The first shape is a cube. The first shape is a cube. The first shape is a cube. Do we all agree? Tin, do you agree? Today, I want everybody to be saying something because this is a revision, right? All right. Revision is interesting. Yes, we love revision. All right, shape number 2, Auka. Shape number 2. We are going down. Everybody's going to say something. All right. Shape number 2, Auka. This is a what? What's this?
Cone.
It's a what?
Cone.
It's a cone. Thank you. You're looking down. I can't hear you. Auka, I can't hear you. I don't know why. Not writing, sweetheart. Don't write. All right, the next person is Kunsu. Kunsu, the following shape number 3, it's what? Shape number 3, this one. This one. It's an iPhone.
Great.
Shape number 3.
Cylinder.
It's a cylinder, right? It's a cylinder. All right. Also, the last shape. The last shape is a. It's a what, student? The last one. Okay. Yes, it is in a circle shape, but this is a 3D shape, right? We talked about 3D shapes to teacher Brenda. And we said when a circle is in a 3D shape, it becomes a sphere, right? It becomes a sphere. This one. This is the spelling for the sphere. So if a circle is in 3D, it becomes a sphere. Okay, so the first one is a cube, the second one is a cone, the third one is a cylinder, and the last one is a sphere. All right. Do you have any questions here? Pramod. The first shape we say it is here. The first shape we say it is here. It's a what? Pramod. I want Pramod here to tell teacher text.
Okay, that's
Yes.
I will
Pramod.
wait.
Miran. The third shape is a what? The third shape is a? The third shape, Miran. The third shape is a? Java. No, thank you, sweetheart.
Another one.
It's a what? Miran, you said? The third one, number three shape, it's a what? Number 3. We have 1, 2, 3. This one, it's a cylinder, guys. The third one is a cylinder. All right, bright. The last shape, we say it is a what? The last shape is a? These are the answers. It's a sphere. It's a sphere because it's in 3D. Yes, it's a sphere. It's a sphere. It's a sphere. All right. Candle. The first shape is a? Candle, where are you? All right, there you are. Candle, the first shape is a what? Is candle available? Candle, are you available? No. All right, if candle is not available, tin. Yay, tin, can you hear me? All right, thank you. All right, thank you, guys.
Teacher.
Yes, sweetheart.
I see Candle is speaking.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Is it mine? No, I don't have anything that is speaking. I don't have anything.
But Candle is speaking.
Wait, I don't know what is happening. All right, guys, let's move on. So these are the shapes. Please remember. Someone is making noise. Someone is making, let me see. Oh, here we go. All right, guys, let's be quiet. Or if you are not saying anything, please let's. How come? Please, let's be quiet. All right. Okay. Let's continue. All right. We want to look at the pictogram that we have here. Let's look at this pictogram, guys. Let's look at this pictogram.
They are writing.
The pictogram say no writing today. The pictogram below shows the children's favorite fast food, right? Yay! We have pizza, we have a hot dog, we have bagels, right? Each picture represents 2 children's choices of what? All right? So every picture represents 2 children. Okay. Yes. So let's look at the questions. Let's now look at the questions. Question number one. Question number one. All right. It says, how many children voted for pizzas? How many children voted for pizzas?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
Is it 6? The key
1,
says
2, 3, 4,
the
5,
key. Okay,
6,
listen.
7, 8, 9,
All right, Alka.
11, 12. Teacher, 4,
Alright.
3.
Let me help you. Let me help you understand the key. It is always important, guys. Read the key. The key said each picture represents 2 children. Did you get that? One picture represents 2 children, right? So if we see a beggar, it means it's 2 people. If we see a hot dog, it means it's 2 people. If we see a pizza, it means it's 2 people. If we see a half beggar,
11.
thank you, thank you, thank you. It's 11. Number 1, the correct answer is 11. How many children voted for pizza? There are 11. How do we get 11? We say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And this one half is 1. So it's 11.
11.
So number 1 is 11. Thank you, Auka. Thank you, Auka. Thank you so much.
Is 1.
The next person I want iPhone. How many children voted for beggars? How many children voted for beggars?
Oh, sorry.
Number 2.
15.
Yes. Thank you so much. There are 15. 15.
12, 14, 15.
Yes, that is very true. There are 15. There are 15.
14.
Yes, there are 15.
Okay, 15.
Did you see why we say 15? Because we say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and then half is 1, so we say 15. Yes. Yes. So please, guys, in the exam, remember to look at the key. Remember to look at the key. You see here, they wrote what? What did they write at the corner? They said, remember. 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 So please, guys, please, let's all remember. Let's all remember. Let's all remember to look at the key. Look at the key in the exam. All right? Before you give the answers, look at the key.
Hot dog is
all right.
Favorite hot dog and hot dog. How many?
All right, Alka, sorry. Number 3, how many more children voted for beggars than hot dogs? Anybody to try? Mirana, is there?
Yeah.
Yes, sweetheart. How many more children voted for beggars more than hot dogs? Auka, no, thank you.
7.
Thank you, Miran. Thank you. There are 7. How do we get 7? We say 15 minus the number of hot dogs. The number of hot dogs is 2, 4, 6, 8. So we say 15 for beggars minus 8 for hot dogs. And then we get 8. Are we all there? Any questions? All right. All right, let's continue. Number 4. Let me see who is next. Bright, you're next. Number 4. How many children voted all together? How many children voted all together? How do we get that answer? How many children voted all together? Right. How do we get the answer? You can tell us how we get the answer and then we work together, right? How do we get the answer? How do we get the answer? Bright? Bright, are you there? All right, maybe she's not there. Let's move on. Java. 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 What do we do? How many children voted all together?
Children.
What do we do?
What do we do?
Yes, we say.
Easy. But I said.
When we say all together, what does it mean? When I say this plus this plus this all together, what do I mean? I mean them put together, right? Addition, right? So how many children voted all together? What do we do?
Oh, just count. Just count.
Yes, we count. We take pizza plus hot dogs plus bagels, right? And then we count the votes that we have on each. Okay. All right. So how many votes? How many votes do we have? On pizza, how many do we have? We said on pizza we have 11, right? On pizza we have 11. So 11 plus 8 on hot dogs. How many do we get? 11 plus 8? 11 plus 8. What do we get? 11 plus 8? 11 plus 8.
I know.
Oh, who wants to tell us 11 plus 8?
19.
Thank you. Yes, we get 19. We get 19. All right. And then now we have 19 for pizza and for hot dogs, plus 15 for bagels, right? So we have 19 plus 15. What do? We just simply say 15, we write it in the vertical, the tens and the ones. And then we say plus 19.
34.
Thank you so much. We get 34. The total
I'm good
is
at addition.
Oh, yeah, really good. I can see that. Thank you so much, Java, for telling us and working out the answer for number 4.
Okay.
Number 4.
I know.
Yes, yes.
It's
All right, yes. The total number of children who voted is 34. That's how you get the answer, guys. I hope we are all listening and we are all following up. Okay? All right. We are now on Kunsu. Kunsu number 5. Which food was the least popular? Kunsu. We are on Kunsu now. Which food was the least popular? The least popular. Which food?
I like pizza.
No, number 5 is saying which food is the least popular. They didn't say what do you like. They said which food was the least popular. All right, anybody to try? Let me see who hasn't spoken to Teacher Tate. Bright, are you back now? Which food was the least popular? Bright. Which food?
I don't think Bright is there.
Yeah, she's not there, maybe.
Bright is
Pramote is there. Pramote is there again. she's there. Pramod, do you want to help us see the answer for number 5? Which food was least popular? Pramod, I want Pramod, tin or candle?
Candle is not there too.
Candle is
I
not
see,
there
I see.
too. Pramod, you can try, sweetheart. Try. Which food was least popular? Which food was least? When we say least popular, we mean which food is the least number?
Teacher, that
people?
is easy for me.
I know Java, but I want somebody else. I know.
But
All right, Nachinon, let's move on to someone else. Nachinon. Nachinon. Are you there? Number 5. Help us with number 5. Nachinon. I think Nachinon as well is not there. He is not there. Pramod, do you want to try now? Number 5. Which food is the least popular? Which food has few children, or which food has the least votes? Which one? Which one has few? Which one has little?
easy.
All right. Okay, anybody else, Java? Which food is the least popular?
This food. Hot dog, yes.
Yes, hot dogs. Hot dogs are the least popular. And which food is the most popular? Let me see who's there. Miran, which food is the most popular?
My time.
Thank you so much. Yes, burgers are the most popular. What is the least popular is the hot dog, right? Thank you, everybody. So that's all about pictograms. That's all about pictograms. Please, guys, make sure in the exam. Okay, let's look at this one. All right. What is this now? This is about masses, right? Masses. Weight, right? It says fill in the blanks. And use this square as 1 unit of mass. Somebody's making noise. All right. Who is that? Let's mute if we are not saying anything. All right. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
All right. So this one is the next one, the third one is about mass, right? Mass. It says fill in the blanks. Use the square as 1 unit of mass. Okay? So there we have a carrot, which has 1 unit. And we have a pineapple, we have a tomato, we have broccoli. Not writing, sweetheart, not writing today. All right? So we have a carrot, we have broccoli, we have tomato, and we have a pineapple. Let's look at the questions. All right. The first one says, the mass of the pineapple is dash units. Anybody to try? Pramod, do you want to try? Pramod is back, guys. The mass of the pineapple is dash units. How many units do we have on the pineapple? Let's count together. All right, Miran, try.
สแกนแล้วตรงก็ส่งภาพให้ดูคนบางคนรู้จักที่อย่างเงี้ยเรามีไลน์กัน
Yes, we have 6 units on the pineapple. How do we get 6? How do we get 6? Somebody is making noise. Guys, please let's mute. PT, the next one. All right. The mass of the dish is 2 units. Who wants to tell me quickly? Anybody to tell me the mass of the dish is 2 units?
Tomato.
Thank you. The mass of the tomato is 2 units. It's very easy, guys. You just come here, you count 1, 2.
It is.
That's it.
No, it's not pretty. It's Miran.
Oh, all right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. The third one. So the second one we said is tomato, right? Is 2 units. The third one says the mass of the broccoli is dash units. There we have broccoli. Broccoli is equal to 2 tomatoes.
4.
Is it 4? Because 1 tomato is 2 units. And 2 tomatoes is how many units?
4.
2 tomatoes. 2 tomatoes will be how many units, guys? 1 tomato is 2, and 2 tomatoes is what?
4.
Thank you. Yes. 4. Thank you so much. 4. So the mass of the broccoli is 4 units. Why? Because the broccoli is equal to 2 tomatoes, right? Thank you. All right. The next one. Good job, everybody. Good job. The dish is 1 unit lighter than the tomato. The dish is 1 unit lighter. Which one is that? Which one is lighter? Yes, iPhone. Yes.
C-A-R-O-T.
The carrot. Yes, the carrot is 1 unit lighter than the tomato. How do we get that? We first look at everything that we have, and then we look at the tomato. The tomato has 2 units. So we look for everything that is below 2, and we see that is the carrot, right? So the correct answer is the carrot is 1 unit lighter than the tomato. All right. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next one says, the total mass of the 4 items is dash units. The total mass of the 4 items is dash units. Pramod, do you want to try? I can see your hand is up. The total mass of the 4 items is what? How do we get it? When we want to get the total, we say we add everything that we have, right? Total is just the same as all together, all right? Or addition. Like
Grandma is not there again.
Yeah, maybe she's not there again. All right, let me see who's the outcome. Outcome, may you please tell us what we do or how we get the answer. Can you tell us the answer or how we get the answer? Outcome, may you please help us to calculate the total mass of the 4 items. The total mass for the carrot, plus pineapple, plus tomato, plus broccoli. The total mass is what?
I know, I don't.
But how do we calculate it, Auka? Do you know?
I know.
Okay,
Teacher,
Yes.
This kid writing or not writing? This kid.
Not writing. Not writing anything. You are just talking to teacher text. Not writing, sweetheart. No
I know.
writing.
I know.
No writing.
Teacher Ted,
iPhone.
I know.
iPhone.
13.
Okay.
13.
Yes, 13. How did you get 13? What did you say? How did
Okay.
how did you calculate?
6 plus 2 plus 1 equals 9. Because 2 plus 1 equals 3. And 3 plus 6 equals 9. And 2 tomatoes is 4. 2 tomatoes means 4 units.
Yes.
And 9 plus 4 equals 13.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you.
That.
Yeah, thank you so much, iPhone. That is a detailed answer. Thank you. All right, that's what we do, guys. If you heard your colleague, what he said is very true. We just say 1 unit for carrot plus 6 units for the pineapple plus 2 units for the
3
tomato.
minutes left.
Yes, sweetheart. Yes, 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left.
I know. Just
All
the
right.
one.
Okay. All right, that's okay. The next one says the dash is lighter than the tomato. The dash is lighter than the tomato. Which one is lighter? The dash is lighter than the tomato. What is lighter? We did it, guys. We once talked about it. The what is lighter than the tomato? Which vegetable is lighter than the tomato? Let me see. Oh, I wanted to say palm. Let me see. Let me see who's there. Kanyana. Oh, they're just joining us. Yeah, she's just joining us. All right, Mega is not there, Miran. Kunsu, do you want to try this one? What's the correct answer?
What teacher?
The dash is lighter than the tomato. Which one is lighter than the tomato? Which one is lighter?
Tomato.
Yes, than the tomato. The carrot, guys. The carrot is lighter than the tomato, right?
Teacher, วันนี้
Yes.
บอกยังไม่ทำครับ ยังไม่ทำครับ ยังไม่ได้ให้ทำกันบ้านไงครับ
All right. The next one says the dish is 3 times heavier than the tomato. The dish is heavier. Java. Can you please unmute? Right. All right. The next one says the dish is 3 times heavier than the tomato. What is 3 times heavier than the tomato? Not Shannon is not back.
You come from?
What?
You come from?
What are you saying, Kunsu?
You come from?
What are you saying?
No.
Are you telling the answer or what? What are you saying? Kunsu, what are you saying? All right, I can't hear Kunsu clearly. I can't hear him clearly. All right. The next one says the dish is 3 times heavier than the tomato. What is 3 times heavier, guys? What is 3 times heavier? All right, the answer is pineapple. The answer is pineapple. All right, guys, our time is up. And our class is over. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.
Bye bye, teacher. Thank you.